Congolese farmer Mazambi Bitondo is clearing this bush to make her next field. She must grow food in order to feed her family.
I cultivate in the forest by cutting down the trees so that I can produce cassava beans, groundnuts and maize. That's why we cut down the trees. If we plant our crops under the trees, we won't harvest anything. We have to cut down the trees and burn them in order to have a field.
Locals here understand the environmental dangers of felling trees, but they say it's their only way to survive. According to the United Nations, 75% of the DRC's population relies on agriculture, and the country has 80 million hectares of arable land. But for the people living in the Mwenga territory, the only way to tap into this potential is by clearing forests.
Here at home, if you don't have a field, you don't have a life. You cannot live. We hear on the radio that we shouldn't cut down trees, that trees are very important, and we do all we can to keep the big trees. But small trees we can only cut down because we cannot cultivate without cutting them down.
We know it's dangerous, but we do it to save ourselves, because without it, we can't exist. We wouldn't have a good life, because we have no support to help us in return for not destroying the environment. We have to keep on doing this kind of farming to find the means of subsistence.
The trees cut down are also sold as cooking fuel or construction timber, another source of income. Most families in the DRC depend on firewood and charcoal for their domestic energy needs. Deforestation remains a major challenge, more so because of illegal logging despite a ban on new industrial logging.
Le territoire de Mwenga est une zone
Unfortunately, as far as we're concerned, most of these operators receive authorization from the state through the Environmental Department. But in any case, in the sector in which they're working, they don't think that tomorrow there will be people who still need trees.
The Congo Basin is Africa's largest tropical forest. It is also the world's second largest after the Amazon. Climate experts say the Congo Basin is a great resource in mitigation of climate change as it's a major carbon sink. But the logging activities for commercial and agricultural practices threaten the survival of the Congo Basin. Wanjamonga, CGTN.